Here's how you can make layered synth pads like Yosemite by Kedama and Interplanetary Criminal. Starting off with the first pads, playing the melody, add another one in, another one playing an offbeat melody, add something for the high end, nice and airy, add a very transient heavy sound, get the clicks in there, and then a texture. All together will sound like this. Now the source is in the group. Add an EQ, OTT, reverb, multi-band compression, another EQ, and a utility. And all together, glues it together in the group. And when you add that with drums,